Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing these dining chairs. So I'm sitting in one. I have one right here. There's two other ones, so it's a set of 4 that comes. It's a nice white, maybe beige fabric. And yeah, it's very comfortable to sit in. It's very sturdy. I put these things together. It probably took me about a half hour to put all 4 together, so not bad. It comes with a tool. It's nice that this is like a little Velcro underneath too, so it covers up the wood. It's got this cover, so it covers up the wood, so you're only seeing the black part. If you were to go underneath the table or something, it keeps it looking nice. They slide nicely on the ground. Yeah, there's the little bottom parts that slide a little bit. So yep, they're pretty lightweight too. As you can see, I'm just holding it up, and yeah, comfortable to sit on. You do have to really tighten it like in the back. When I first sat down on it after putting them together, I leaned back and had a little give, but then I just really tightened those bolts more, and yep, it's super sturdy now. Yeah, I'm a big fan of these chairs. Like I said, it comes with a set of 4. It's got a nice cover to it. It's comfortable. Yeah, that's a review.